everyone, I just hope all of you are well and fine. As you know, we all experience different types of pain in our day-to-day living. From headache after a long day at work to muscle soreness from intensive workout. Pain is common part of life even if simplest activity done for a longer duration or sleeping in the wrong position can cause pain, discomfort. Most of us must have experienced some type of pain, back pain, joint pain, toothaches, menstrual cramps, stomach pain or eye strain at some time. This common pain can affect anyone at any time. So, today I am going to tell you about 7 natural herbs which will relieve you from this type of pain. But before starting the video, subscribe the channel, like the video and also hit on the bell icon to get the notifications of more videos like this. So, come to the point. First superb herb for pain is turmeric. Turmeric is partially very good for joint pain and arthritis. Turmeric has active compound called curcumin which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. For targeted pain relief, you can take it in a glass of milk, small teaspoon full of turmeric powder in it. Add a pinch of black pepper also into it. Have this daily in at night before going to bed. Next pain relief herb is lemon. Lemon has many antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can use this when you have muscle pain, muscle soreness or gentle cuts on your body. What you have to do is take some mustard oil and heat it till the smell goes away. Wait for oil to cool to come to a lukewarm temperature. Now slice lemon into two. Take 1/2 and dip it into a heated mustard oil and massage it over the muscles which are hurting or over the cuts you have. Within a day, your body will heal by itself. Third type of pain which can heal using herbs is pain from menstrual cramps and migraine. The herb that can heal this pain is ginger. It works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory compounds and can be particularly most effective for menstrual cramps, migraine and muscle soreness. All you have to do is to make some warm ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in the water till the water becomes golden. The next herb is ashwagandha or Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha can help in headache or emotional stress. Ashwagandha or Indian ginseng helps the body cope with stress. It is also useful for reducing menstrual cramps, joint pain and inflammation. It is particularly useful for individuals suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. All you need to do is make some ashwagandha powder in milk and take it. You can add honey in that. Don't consume anything half an hour before and after you drink this. Next is for all those of you who suffer from back pain. There is a herb called Nirgundi, which is a traditional herb that can give you a lot of relief from back pain. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxing properties which make it excellent for back pain management. Apply Nirgundi oil or paste on the affected area and massage it gently on the painful area. The next herb is clove, which has been used traditionally to take care of toothache or gumache. Its active ingredient called eugenol has both anesthetic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it highly effective for oral pain. Apply a small amount of clove oil on the cotton ball and place it on the affected tooth or gum area. Alternatively, you can chew one whole clove for similar relief and the 7th and final herb is for all those who suffer from headache. The herb I am talking about is lavender. Lavender is known for its calming properties, but it also has pain relief and the additional benefit it is particularly effective on headaches, migraine and the muscle pains. Lavender essential oil can be inhaled, applied topically and adding to a warm bath for headache. Try massaging few drops of diluted lavender oil on the temples. So here are those 7 natural herbs to give you relief from different types of pains that we experience sometime. Combine herbal remedies with other natural practices such as yoga, meditation and a balanced diet to achieve whatever you need to achieve. Consistent practice of yoga can improve flexibility and reduce pain, while meditation helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. Nature has given us valuable gifts of natural herbs to heal pain and care for our body. But with the time, we have become ignorant about the knowledge of these herbs. It is time to remember our roots and go back to natural ways of healing and reducing pain in our body. Remember, the key lies understanding and respecting your body's natural language and nurturing with the gift of nature. Thanks for watching.